So let's begin. Wayfair is the leading online retailer for home and living. Wayfair is also our core brand globally. In the US, this includes our specific lifestyle brands, All Modern, Joss& Main, Birch Lane, and our premium brand Perigold. For Europe, all styles and price points are covered by the Wayfair brand. The company was created in 2002 by Steve Conine and Niraj Shah in Boston, and to these days, we still are led by our founders, who are still based in Boston. With the time, we expanded, and now we have offices in London, Galway, Berlin, and across the US. We count over 14,000 employees worldwide. We work with 20,000 suppliers, and we have over 22 million active customers. We operate in 4 countries, in US, Canada, United Kingdom, Germany, and Ireland. Sorry, 5 countries. We have a strong brand awareness, which continues growing fast. We have a unique technology advantage with our engineers working on improving home and living online shopping experience. We are an online player for over 20 years, one of the largest competitor in the home category. Our revenue for 2022 reached over 12 billion US dollar. But it's important to mention that 2022 was a challenging year for our entire industry. But we are positive that the market will continue to grow as the customer journey is focusing on the online world. Home category has specific challenges when shopping online. We build and continuously optimize business for the home category, addressing these specific challenges. And what we are doing, we are giving our customers the confidence to buy. We're helping to visualize our products in home. We are providing inspirations and product discovery, and of course, best-in-class customer service and delivery. Here I will go a little bit deeper. So in traditional retail, customers can experience and test the product before they make the decision. But obviously, this is not possible when you shop online. At Wayfair, we use a range of technologies and services to give the customer the same confidence as they would shop offline. We provide the customers with detailed product information. We encourage our customers to write a review. We use a combination of physical and digital swatches to help customers make the right choice when shopping within particularly challenging online categories such as upholstery or outdoor. We also have a dedicated sales team to ensure customer satisfaction. Furnishing a space is, we all know, a tricky thing for all customers. Here you can see just some examples of how Wayfair helps to visualize your products in their homes. So we use technology and offer, for example, 3D views in the room. We also use room ideas. This is my favorite, so-called shop the look option, where our customers get the inspiration boards with fabulous room arrangements, where a product is marked with a tag, which can be clicked on and then purchased. We also use search by picture, where a customer using the app can take a picture of a product and try to find exactly the same or similar on our website. What else? Photos of the product uploaded by customers. So the customer takes a photo of the product purchased on Wayfair in their own private arrangement, and then they can post it. Next topic that we're covering is our partnership model. Our partnership approach is that all partners focus on the area of expertise along the value chain. You are the expert to design, develop the products, source the material, and optimize production to provide the right quality of products. We totally trust you in your expertise. Transportation and warehousing is the point where we physically take over your products to create the best experience. We also take care of marketing, returns, and customer service to make a partnership as easy as possible for you. We have built massive knowledge the last years, and you can directly leverage all of that. Years of experience help us to create a series of guidelines in specific functional areas of this business, which we pass on to our partners, onto you. What I present to you here is what we call it Wayfair recipe. The first bucket are the basics: dedicated team, product range and availability, merchandising, prices, order processing, system integration, and of course, customer satisfaction. The second part are our enablers, a further set of factors which unlocks additional potential. And this is, for example, our castle gate. This is our fulfillment model, online channel management, and Wayfair exclusive brands. And the last group are factors that further accelerate growth. And these are promotion, lifestyle brands, geographic expansion, and media and marketing. So how we operate. Here is the flow of an order. So what it happens, order is placed by our customers. Supplier reviews orders in partner home and prints the order summary and automatically generated shipping labels. Then suppliers ship labels, pick orders and pack them into dropship suitable packaging, of course. Then Wayfair's carrier comes to the supplier warehouse to pick up the orders, and the order is delivered to the final customer. If necessary, returns, replacement, and refunds are handled by the Wayfair customer service. And now we're coming to the last point, becoming a new partner. So how to become our partner? Working with us is fairly easy. You need very little requirements to become a Wayfair partner, and we are happy to assist you in each of the steps to get ready. So in EU, in Europe, since we rely on our logistic partners, we require that you have your stocks available in warehouses. You will need to be able to pick and pack the order to the end customer's delivery in a fast way. We can assist you, of course, in how to develop these capabilities. If this is something new, you are not used to it, we will help you with the setup. What else you need is one legal requirement is to have product liability insurance. And what's important also to know that besides furniture and decor, we also sell different products such as plumbing and renovation products. So let's have a look together at your selection and then choose and see if this is something fitting. The process of placing product on our platform has 3 stages: account creation, product addition, and final is the account setup. In the first 2 stages, the supplier is intensively involved, but the third stage is mainly on Wayfair side. After we receive the supplier's application, we will share the requirements for collaboration and send standard agreements. We will create an account in Partner's Home, that's our system, in which supplier fill in information such as warehouse address, contact details, etc. At this stage, we also sign the contract. Stage 2 is about adding the products. We send the suppliers a product specification sheet. This is an Excel sheet in which suppliers enter the product information. During completion, we offer our full support, and we, of course, providing you training materials. Once the Excel table is ready, the supplier uploads the table into the system. Our system generates additional questions. We call them tags. And this is the final phase of filling the product's information. And once this data has been entered, the supplier submits the project. The post-submission team is then responsible for the final implementation. This brings us to the third and final stage, the account setup. In this stage, product packages will be created, inventory setup and data integration will take place, and we will arrange the logistics setup. This stage takes about 2 weeks, and after that, the products appear on the website. In total, it takes about 4 to 6 weeks for the products to go live, but actually everything is up to you. If you will be faster, then the products will be live faster. We are looking forward to partnering with you. Please reach out to me or one of my colleagues and we will chat. We will support you. I hope you enjoyed the presentation and let's move to our Q&A session. Thank you very much.